Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you some tips and tricks on how you can clean your data set in Power Query. Let us jump to the computer for the demo. Let me first load my data table. So from here, get data, Excel workbook, and I will select clean data. And here I will select sheet 1. And from here, transform data button, I will go to Power Query. Now I am in Power Query. So first thing I will say, I will change the name of this data set. I will say sales data. OK. Now here you can see in the data table. So let me zoom in. So here you can see in the data table, first 2 row is null across all the column. So first I will remove this 2 null row. So I will click here, remove row and remove top rows. So here I will give 2. Now you can see my top row null rows are removed now. Now I need a column heading for this data set, and here you can see the first row here. You can see all the columns heading. OK, so now I will select this one and I will say use first row as a header from here. So now you can see all my column has column heading. Now there is a last column is a grand total. This I don't require basically. So I will right click and I will say removed. So my grand total is also removed. Now here you can see there is a subtotal audio total. And here you can see the computer total. And here you will, whenever there is a subtotal, you will find in the next column, like, product subcategory and so on, the null value. So that I also want to remove it. So I will click here on the product subcategory column and I will just remove a null from here. So you can see the null has been removed. Now here, these 3 rows belongs to the audio and these 4 rows belongs to the camera and camcorder. So that I also need to fill. Here you can see the null. So I'll select this column and from the top tab, transformation, I will go to the transformation and here I will click fill down. So you can see the audio, camera, camcorder, cell phone. Now this is also filled. Now the last stage is you can see here all my years are as a column heading that I don't want. OK, that I don't want. So what I'm going to do, I will select all my year column 1, 2, 3, 4 and I will go to transformation tab and from here I will click unpivot column. So let me click on unpivot only selected column. So now only selected column is unpivoted and you can see my year column is now in the row. It is converted into a row. Let me rename this. Let me rename this as a year. And this is my sales. So I will rename it as a sales value. So now you can see here the year wise sales amount and the category wise sales amount. So now my data is completely clean and let me apply and I will say close and apply. And this will be refresh. So let me add a bar chart here. And from my sales data, I will say product category and sales value. So here you can see the sales value, and now I will copy and paste this, and I will say year wise my sales, or we can do it here only. This is the product category wise, and I will add one more dimension here. Sales. Now this will be the categories wise and year wise. Or we can go on top. This is year wise. And if you can go down, you will see the category wise. That's all for this video. Request you to please subscribe my channel. Happy holiday. Thank you for watching.